when you look at AI's impact on patient care, I think we see that AI addresses the consistency issue that we have. If the AI gets something wrong, it won't get it right tomorrow unless it's been retrained. But a human, I could have my coffee and I'll get it right. And if I don't have my coffee, I may get it wrong. So AI is as accurate as a highly trained dentist, but it's more consistent than a highly trained dentist. And that consistency is really important because it undergirds patient trust. We're always making the final call as the doctor, but it's showing us that little calculus on the mesial of the molar, or it's showing us that the margin on our scan isn't good enough. That gives us the trust we need that ultimately leads to healthier patients. And we don't need to blame anybody. We're all human. We've all made mistakes. Again, it is that intelligence cruise control that we have with our cars. It's going to help us get there, but it's going to make it easier for us. We ultimately can take the wheel at any point, but it's going to help guide us. So the dentist makes the final call, and the AI is really an assistive tool that allows our patients to get better health. Now, the AI's impact on practice management. When I first got into AI, I was focusing so much on how it's going to increase our patient care. And I was focusing that on focusing that. And what I realized so much is how much it's going to positively impact our practice management. So you take the clinical topics and you transfer this to a business setting. We're in the business of delivering care. And AI's impact on the clinical side is actually helping with the management of our practices. And this is where the rubber meets the road. In my practice, I want to deliver the best care, but my practice will only stay open if I have patients coming back and if I have new patients and if I understand my limits, the limits of my abilities. These clinical benefits deliver tremendous benefits to business managers or to owners because you have less remakes, you have a higher standard of care, more risk reduction. We don't like to admit that we make mistakes because it's shameful and it's costly. But when our care is better, our entire business performs better. And it's been so impactful on the practice management that it's even more than I thought it would be. I thought it would be so focused on clinical, but so much of the practice management can be changed.